What's up friends, this is Natalie with Keyprint Co. and in today's video we're going to be using the Captain Platen Kit Classic to print some dad hats for Father's Day of course. And just in case you're in need of a last minute gift, make sure you check out the description below to figure out how you can get this design for free. Let's get started. Alright, you know the drill. To load the hat, slide the bill underneath the locking bar, tuck under any sweatbands underneath that top plate there, make sure everything is nice and lined up with the sides of the platen itself, stretch out that front panel, engage the locking bar, make sure everything's nice and flat, and then you're all set. Alright everyone, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and we hope you like learning how to print this hat for yourself. We want to wish all the dads and dad-like figures out there a happy Father's Day. Stay safe and we'll see you next time.